The camera has a built-in speaker and a built-in microphone. This shows us where the fixings need to go when we install the camera. The new dome's with Echo Light technology and the 4 megapixel ColorVu dome. Hello and welcome from Hikvision. I'm Dan Hawkins, part of the internal projects team here at Hike. Today we're going to be looking at the new Pro Series cameras with ColorVu technology and introducing our Echo Light technology. So great news, we now have added more products with new technology to our ColorVu family. The future star in the UK is our 8 megapixel turret camera with LiveGuard and ColorVu. As I'm sure you'll agree, we have extraordinary image quality already, and the light and sound warning or the two-way audio is an excellent option for providing a deterrent to would-be criminals. Routine maintenance often causes concerns due to dust, marks or scratches for external cameras when they're being cleaned. The new domes with Echo Light technology and ColorVu can reduce that concern. Echo Light technology reduces the probability of blurs caused by dust and scratches. It does this by using tiny reflectors to bounce the supplemental light out of the dome itself. This reduces the amount of light bouncing around the dome, causing lens flare. We also have a new 4 megapixel mini dome camera with ColorVu technology, which is rated to IK8. This provides a smaller size of camera but comes packed with the latest features, including 130 decibels WDR technology, which is perfect for internal installations such as lobbies or corridors with a bright external light. So let's move forward to learn a little bit more about them. So what's the product all about? Well, the 8 megapixel turret camera with LiveGuard and ColorVu. The camera has a built-in speaker and a built-in microphone. With this you can have two-way audio, plus the added feature of light and sound warnings. On the mobile Hike Connect application you can adjust the brightness of the supplemental lights or even manually control the lights and sound. You want to use two-way audio? Then pick up your phone and use the Hike Connect application. The dome camera with ColorVu and Echo Light technology, it changes the way that the light is emitted from the bubble. So there's less probability that dust or scratches on the external bubble can get in the way of the light and cause refraction and lens flare. This means that the maintenance of the camera won't affect the viewing usage of the camera so much. The mini dome camera is the smallest size in the dome family. Customers can enjoy ColorVu advantages too if the room is small or they want something less intrusive. It even comes with an IP67 rating and an IK8 rating, so it can be used outdoors too. So first of all, we're going to have a look at unboxing our 8 megapixel ColorVu turret. The part code for this one is DS-2CD 2387G2-LSU/SL. The SL referring to the sound and light part of the ColorVu turret. So if I open the box up, have a look inside, remove the protective tape. First thing I'm presented with is our drill template. This shows us where the fixings need to go when we install the camera. We've got our important quick start guide, some protective foam. Here's our external connector housings for our RJ45 connectors, the all-important Torx key, some fixings, and then the turret camera itself with the mounting bezel on the bottom with the mounting plate. Next up is our 4 megapixel ColorVu internal or external mini dome. This is the DS-2CD 2547G2-LS. The device supports target classification and it also supports an external audio input and output. We've got a built-in microphone and the usual ColorVu supplemental light. So let's open the box up and see what we get inside. So we've got our usual network camera quick start guide and some packaging foam. We've then got the mounting plate. If I go further into the box, we've then got a little bag which includes a lens cloth and 3 internal housing screws. We've also got a QR code on there. The QR code then will take you to an app store of your choosing where you can download the HikConnect application. We've then got the external fixings, including raw plugs. We've got the Torx key there, our external RJ45 covers, and then we've got this new lens adjustment tool, which is keyed. I'll show you how we use that in just a second. So remove the camera from the box, I'll put the box out of the way. There's the camera itself with the two supplemental lights on either side. If I remove that housing from there, we can then see that the keyed lens adjustment tool, if I slide that over that lens, I can then move the lens from side to side, up and down as we see fit. Pop that down there, put the cover back on, screw it in place, and we're ready to go. Now we're going to take a look at the 4 megapixel ColorVu external dome, the DS-2CD 2147G2-LSU. The device supports target classification, it supports external audio inputs and outputs, has a built-in microphone, and the usual ColorVu supplemental light. So let's have a look inside the box. Once we open up, we've got our usual quick start guide and the drill template. We'll position those there. Some packaging foam. Again, we've got our bag that contains a lens cloth and our Torx bit. We've got the external wall fixings there with the raw plugs, our RJ45 covers, or the connector covers, so that we can waterproof the cables up. And then if I move the box, we've got the dome itself. As you can see from the dome itself, this is where we have our Echo Light technology. So the supplemental LEDs will shine into those little reflectors, send the light out in a specific way. So here's a close-up of the 4 megapixel ColorVu dome. As you can see, we've got the lens in the middle and then those two Echo Light technologies either side. These provide the supplemental light, which then bounces back off those tiny little refractors in there. Well, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Don't forget to visit our website as shown below at hikvision.com/UK. If you want more information, including those demo videos, search Hikvision UK Technical Support on YouTube, and you'll find an ever-expanding library of short guides to choose from. Bye for now.